Welcome students. In the session of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids, in previous lectures we have studied definition, introduction and classification of these three functional groups. Carbonyl carbon C double bond O is the characteristic functional group in these structures. Classification also we have studied for aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. In this particular video, we will see IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acids. What is the IUPAC nomenclature? It is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In our 10th standard only, we had some introduction about IUPAC nomenclature. In this nomenclature system, we use certain rules to name compounds. For example, in case of alcohols, in the parent alkane, E is replaced by OL. That is, the formula of names of alcohols is alkanols. Similarly, in case of aldehydes and carboxylic acids, in this video, first we will see rules for aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, E of parent alkane is replaced by Al. I will write here E of parent alkane is replaced by this E is replaced by Al, and therefore the formula of name of aldehyde becomes alkanal. I will repeat. In case of IUPAC names of alkanes, E of parent alkane is replaced by Al, therefore formula becomes alkanal. And in case of carboxylic acids, E of parent alkane is replaced by OIC acid. This E of parent alkane is replaced by OIC acid. Therefore, the structure or the formula for carboxylic acid name is alkanoic acid. Therefore, name of IUPAC name of aldehyde will become alkanal. And name of carboxylic acid will become alkanoic acid. In case of aldehydes and carboxylic acids, we know that CHO group in case of aldehydes and COOH group in case of carboxylic acids lies at the end of the structure. Therefore, we will consider the longest carbon chain as the parent chain in IUPAC nomenclature. So, while the numbering of carbon atoms, in case of aldehydes, the CHO carbon of aldehydic functional group, and in case of carboxylic acid, the carbon of COOH functional group, that is carboxylic acid functional group, will get number 1. Therefore, our numbering will start from CHO, the end that where CHO is lies in case of aldehydes, and where COOH is there in case of carboxylic acids. Now, so students, there are some cases. Suppose in aldehyde functional group, 2 CHO groups are present in same compound. 2 CHO groups are present in same compound. In that condition, E of parent alkane is retained and the suffix dial or dial is kept. I will write here, in case of 2 aldehyde groups are present, at that time it is written as alkane. E is retained and dial is added as the suffix. alkanediol. Okay, and in case of two carboxylic acids group present in same structure, suppose there are two carboxylic acids group present in same structure, at that time E of parent alkane is retained and the suffix dioic acid is added. Like here, E is retained and di stands for two, OIC acid is kept as the suffix. Therefore, in case of two aldehyde groups, the formula is alkanediol, and in case of carboxylic acid, the formula is alkanedioic acid. In case of substituted aromatic aldehydes or substituted aromatic carboxylic acids, in that condition, our CHO group or COOH group is attached to benzene ring or substituted benzene ring. Sometimes there is a condition, students, where two functional groups are present in same compound in aromatic structure. One compound in one structure or one functional group is aldehyde and other functional group is different. In case of carboxylic acid also, sometimes there are two functional groups present in same structure. One is carboxylic acid and other is different functional groups. How to name in IUPAC nomenclature system to these structures we have studied in our 11th standard. In such condition, higher priority group, I will repeat, higher priority group is named lowest number and then the lowest priority group is named. Sometimes CHO group, that is aldehyde group, in such cases aldehyde group acts as substituent and other group acts as parent. When aldehyde group appears as substituent, then when aldehyde group acts as substituent and other group acts as parent, then the prefix formyl or formyl is used in case of aldehydes. Students, after finishing with IUPAC nomenclature rules of aldehydes and carboxylic acids, let us move to rules of naming ketones. For ketones also, we have studied certain rules in our 11th standard. If ketonic functional group R C double bond O R or R C double bond O R dash, both are maybe same or different. In such case, parent alkane is replaced last E by ONE. I will write here alkane last E is replaced by ONE. So, formula for writing name of ketonic structure. Formula for writing name of ketonic structure, alkane. E is replaced by ONE and the formula becomes alkanone. Formula becomes alkanone. In ketonic functional group, the numbering or selection of longest chain is done on the basis of the position of functional group. The side from which functional group carbon, that is C double bond O carbon, getting lowest number, such numbering is finalized. Sometimes there are two ketonic functional groups or two ketonic groups are present in same structure. If two ketonic groups are present in same structure, at that time last E of parent alkane is retained. Last E of parent alkane is retained and suffix dione is added. For example, in case of two ketonic groups are present in same structure, alkane, E is retained, and di stands for two, and ONE stands for ketone, is the formula for writing name of ketonic structure having two functional groups, two ketonic functional groups. Sometimes there is a condition that two functional groups are present in same group or same structure. At that time, the highest priority group gets lowest number. I will repeat. When two functional groups are present in same structure, then highest priority group will get the lowest number. In substituted aromatic functional group, same rule is applied. Sometimes ketone acts as substituent and other functional group acts as parent. When ketone is acting as substituent, at that time the prefix oxo is written and the name will end by the suffix of that other functional group. The prefix oxo is written when ketone acts as substituent in that particular structure.